Deanna here. Today I created this green glittery goddess makeup using the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. Our new Take Me Back to Brazil brush set was inspired by our best-selling palette and the vibrant colors of Brazil's Carnival. With the 10 brushes selected, you are not only able to create stunning eye looks with the palette, but finish off your face for a full beat. The handles were specifically matched to actual shades in the palette and gradient to silver for a sleek effect. Also inspired by our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we wanted to keep the festive spirit of Brazil's Carnival alive by creating 4 eye-catching glitters. The shades consist of a beautiful neon green named Lime, a bold coral with a green shift called Samba, a reddish orange with a green shift called Carnival, and a summery yellow neon named Lemon. Taking my brush number 7 from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection, I'm gonna go in with this light yellow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and blend this in my crease. Going in with my brush number 8 and this green shade, I'm going to add that on top of the light yellow and blend in the crease. My flat brush number 6, I'm gonna go in with this green shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette and place this on the lid. Going back in with my blending brush number 8, I'm gonna go in with this dark green color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and place this in the outer corners. My number 10 angle brush, I'm going to go in with that same dark green and place it underneath my lash line. Taking my brush number 6, I'm going to go in with that same green shimmer and place this on the lower lash line, just in the inner corners. Taking my number 9 pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with the highlight color from the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette and place that in my inner corners. Going back in with the number 10 angle brush, I'm gonna take the black matte shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm gonna place that in my outer corners and underneath the lash line. Taking my silicone applicator with some base booster, I'm gonna place this on my eyelids. Taking the same applicator, I'm gonna go in with lime glitter and place this on the lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and apply our 302 lashes. And here we have the completed green glittery eye makeup look using the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. Thank you guys so much for watching and make sure to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations. Bye guys.